Hey everyone! Today in this video, we'll talk about how to manage our time and get productive. We all know that we all have 24 hours in a day, and in those 24 hours, some people are able to do some extra work and achieve so much. While others just say, "Oh, I have to go out, but my assignments are incomplete. I have to study physics, but the chemistry is not over yet." And some people just keep thinking of starting. People who are able to do some extra work, they do it by managing their time properly. And productivity simply means getting maximum quality output from the specific amount of input that we put in. Sometimes it happens that we start reading a chapter, slowly the time passes, and after 2 hours we realize that we have read only 4 pages because our focus was not on studies. We start to daydream and think about something that's not related to our study. And this was our 2 hours long unproductive study session. And unproductivity finally leads to procrastination. So in this video we'll see that how we can increase our productivity and manage our time. Let's start the video. First, track all your activities and the time they consume. Like if you are in school or college or now you have your online classes, then track how much time they take. If you watch TV, then check how long you watch it. Track all your activities to see where your 24 hours go and then plan your day accordingly. Make a to-do list as soon as you get up in the morning or a night before. Set a time guideline for all the tasks you have written in the list. Otherwise, you will take whole day to complete a single task. As you continue to finish tasks, you will feel motivated, and yes, don't write too many tasks on to-do list, otherwise you will keep procrastinating. Prioritize your tasks and do the most important work first or the task that you always keep procrastinating. And if you are studying, then study the difficult subject first. If you will do the difficult task first, that you won't feel stress or burden of doing that task. And if you will leave the task for the last, then obviously you won't feel motivated to do that big task because you have already done so many things. And then you will procrastinate and then that task will never be done. So prioritize your tasks. Having a separate study space or workspace is really important. It should not have any kind of distractions, so whenever you go for studies, it will give you a good environment for your studies. And whenever you don't feel like studying, just go and sit there, as there are no distractions, just you, your books and your study essentials. Then after a while, as you don't have anything to do, you are more likely to open a book and start studying. At least you will study something. Even you might end up completing a whole chapter because getting started is the most difficult. So creating a study space can be a good idea. Pomodoro technique really helps so much when you have less motivation to study but you know that you have to study. In this technique, you have to set the timer for 25 minutes and then study. And when the timer rings, then take a short break of 5 minutes. Each 25-minute session is known as Pomodoro. And after 4 Pomodoros, take a long break of 15 to 30 minutes. So when you don't feel like studying, try this technique. You will feel like that you have to just study for 25 minutes, then you can take a break and do anything. So in this way, you will force your mind to study for 25 minutes with focus. This can be really effective when you don't feel like studying or doing your work, or you are being too unproductive. You just have to set an alarm for every hour. This will remind you that time is passing. And every hour when you will listen to this sound, then after some hours, it will create a mental pressure on you to do something rather than just passing the time and doing nothing and being unproductive. Whenever you are too unproductive, then just open any study with me video on YouTube. YouTube is flooded with these kind of videos. I don't know how, but it really helps me a lot. It kind of triggers something in my brain, like everyone is studying except me, I'm doing nothing, and suddenly I start studying. Only for some time, but yeah, I do something instead of just watching shows. So that's all for this video.